Hello friends, welcome to Recipes Old and New. Today we are going to make tea time coconut lemon cupcake. Let's get started. First grind 1 and 3/4 cup of sugar in a mixer grinder. And keep aside. Now make the dry ingredients ready. For this, sieve 2 cups of maida, two teaspoons of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Add 3/4 cup of dry coconut powder. Now grate the zest of 2 lemons . And add it to the maida mixture. Mix them thoroughly. And keep aside. Let's take 6 eggs in a bowl. And go on beating until it is fluffy. Then add previously made powdered sugar and beat for 2 minutes. Add 1 cup of white oil and beat again for 2 minutes. Add juice of 2 lemons and beat for 1 minute more. Let's gradually add the maida mixture to the egg mixture and mix the ingredients evenly by cut and fold method. The batter is ready. Now pour the batter in a paper cups in such a way that only 3/4 portion of each cup is filled. You may garnish the cupcakes with some dry fruits like cashew nuts. Then preheat the microwave oven in convection mode at 170 degrees centigrade. Beep sound indicates completion of the preheating. Bake the cupcakes in batches at the low rack of the microwave oven for 20 minutes. The preheating temperature and the baking time slightly vary from oven to oven. It varies from 170 degrees centigrade to 180 degrees centigrade and 20 to 25 minutes respectively. So at the end, insert a toothpick into the cake and make sure it comes out clean without any cake sticking. And it is done. The aroma of the cupcake fills the air as soon as you open the door of the oven. The cake is ready to serve. Enjoy it with hot coffee or tea. If you enjoy the video, do share it with your friends and family. Like it, subscribe to our channel Recipes Old and New. Press the bell icon to get the notifications of our new video. Until next time, this is Recipes Old and New. Namaskar.